Hi, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating for you this little neckband shrink tunnel made by Seal It. It's all stainless steel tunnel. It does have a telescoping column right here. Fits right in over your conveyor on that little T-stand there with wheels. Central blower has a pressure switch you see over here. Keep the unit from operating if the blower should fail. We're testing it right now and almost at 400 degrees. Has independent control switch and heat switch. We have lots of tunnels like this for shrink banding, both in electric and steam, and everything else in process and packaging. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.